Hey everybody, I'm back with another style today. We're going to do a beach wave style twist out. Very simple. We're going to start with a side part. Going to put about 3 2-strand flat twists up the side. Going to spray it with a little water and start twisting. Okay, so now we're going to start 2-strand twisting our hair to the scalp. Gonna moisturize with a little bit of water. Gonna add some onion handmade whipped pudding and some of my favorite B&B Naturals BLT twisting cream. And we're going to detangle with our Denman brush to make sure that our twist, when we take it loose, comes out very sleek, smooth, and neat. I made my parts for my 2-strand twist thick so that the twist will come out kind of big and beach wavy. So when you part your hair, part your sections wide. And to make my 2-strand twist to the scalp, I basically got 2 sections, twisted those 2 sections, then added hair to the bottom section, then twisted that, then added hair to the next bottom section and twisted that, and that's how you get the results. When you get to the end of your twist, you're just going to twirl it to get it to curl up and then twist it up like a Bantu knot. So I just repeat the same process all over my head until it's complete. I initially got this idea from watching Natural 85's YouTube channel, and she did an episode on, or she did a video on beach wave twist out. So I thought it would look very nice on her, and I wanted to see if it would work on a newly natural like myself, and I was very happy with the results. So like I said, I just repeat the whole process until I have twisted and Bantu knotted the ends all over my head. And also on each twist, I will alternate the direction. So my first twist, I twisted it back to keep it off my face, but the second twist, I twisted it going forward, and the next twist after that, I would twist that going back, and vice versa. So that will make sure that your parts are covered after you take your twist out apart, and also it'll just give it a nicer, more uniform look. Okay, so it's time for the takedown. I'm just taking a little of my oil mixture and I am putting a little bit on my fingertips to make sure that when I take my twist out, it is smooth and it doesn't get frizzy. This is actually the second day after I did my initial twisting for my twist out. I didn't have time to put it on camera when I took it out the night before, but it still came out pretty good. I think twisting it to the scalp is easier because you don't have to separate any hair. When you take it apart, it's already separated. Less frizz, less work. So that's the finished do. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.